Cabinet in its 44th meeting today passed 13 proposals from across 7 departments of the government. Out of these, 7 proposals were from Rural Development Department relating to rural infrastructure. Government is very keen to develop rural infrastructure, and these 7 proposals will contribute to that. The proposals basically are some schemes which are there which are being extended from today till 29/30, and for these 5 years. So the first scheme which was approved was Mukhyamantri Sadak Yojana. You have heard of the Mission Power, which is government's resolve to ensure that power, water and roads reach every village, every hamlet of the state. And this will, the road part of this will be achieved from this scheme of Mukhyamantri Sadak Yojana. In this, 4,000 crores have been provisioned and 4,607 kilometers of new roads will be constructed. Another component of this scheme, which is a separate scheme, is Mukhyamantri Sadak Yojana, connecting missing roads links. And in this, basically supposing there are 2 block headquarters where somehow their connection is not complete, or there is a hospital to which the road has not yet reached fully. Such missing links can be completed through this scheme, for which 1917 crores have been provided for, and around 3,850 kilometers of such missing links will be completed over a period of 5 years. Then there is Mukhyamantri Sadak Yojana, improvement to existing roads. So this is also very important because we want our existing roads to be of the same quality as the new ones. And so for this, 5,750 crores has been provided for to restore and repair 17,500 kilometers of existing roads. Then on many occasions, some of the roads of the Panchayat department are transferred to Rural Development Department. So we have come up with a scheme which we called MMSY TRIP, that is Transferred Road Improvement Program, where for such roads we provide for, and here we have provided 6,700 crores over a period of 5 years, where 25,500 kilometers of such transferred roads will be taken up and brought to the level of a good RD road. Then there are many areas which are difficult areas where there are connectivity issues. To ensure that in such areas we are able to provide connectivity, we call it MMSY Kuvda, where Kuvda stands for Connecting Unconnected Villages in Difficult Areas. Here again we have provided 1,300 crores to set up 2,098 kilometers of such roads. Apart from these roads, the department also constructs bridges. And a huge scheme that was approved, the extension of which was approved today, is Setu Bandhan Yojana. Now in this, bridges are constructed and a provision of 11,800 crores has been kept in this scheme, and 3,167 new bridges or such bridges which need to be brought to this level will be taken up. Another scheme which was approved today is the Bridge Cum Wear scheme. Now under bridges, we are also trying to provide small weirs to store the water. We have tried it and it has been fairly successful. And so this scheme was approved, wherein 600 crores have been provided, and over these 5 years, 670 such bridges cum weirs will be constructed.